In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create podcasts with Flashloop. To get started, open the Flashloop app or go to the Flashloop website in your browser, then log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll typically land on the dashboard, which is where you can begin creating new content and manage your existing projects. From the dashboard, click Create or New Project to start fresh. After that, look for the podcast feature. If you don't see an option specifically labeled podcast, choose the AI audio or voice generation option instead. The exact layout may vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but the goal here is simply to begin a new audio-based project. Next, enter the content you want to turn into a podcast. You can type your script directly into the editor or paste in text you've already prepared. If Flashloop offers AI assistance for writing, you can also use that feature to help generate or refine your script. This can be especially useful if you want a cleaner flow or a more polished listening experience before generating the audio. Once your content is ready, move on to choosing a voice. Browse through the available AI voices and pick one that matches the style of your podcast. For example, you might want something professional, friendly, calm, or energetic, depending on your topic. If Flashloop supports voice controls, you can also adjust things like speed, pitch, or tone to make the final delivery sound more natural and better suited to your audience. After selecting a voice, customize your podcast further if those options are available. You may be able to add multiple speakers if you want a conversation-style format, include background music to create atmosphere, insert pauses or transitions for better pacing, and set the language or accent to fit your audience. These settings can make a big difference in how polished and engaging the podcast sounds. When everything looks good, click Generate. Flashloop will then process your script and convert it into an AI-generated podcast. Depending on the length of your script and the features you selected, this may take a little time, so just wait for the audio to finish rendering. After the podcast has been generated, preview the audio by listening all the way through. Pay attention to pronunciation, pacing, and overall flow. If something doesn't sound right, go back, edit the script, adjust the voice settings or switch voices, then regenerate the audio. Once you're happy with the result, download the finished audio file. From there, you can share it on podcast platforms, post it on social media, or use it as a voiceover for videos. And that's how to create a podcast with Flashloop.